Have you ever wondered the difference in sound between pissing in the water or pissing on the side of the toilet bowl? Well, we're gonna use this Apple Watch and find out. Welcome to the show where I show you information you didn't know you needed to know. What's going on, guys? I am here with the Apple Watch Series 5, and in their new update, they have the ability for the watch to monitor sound. Now, I've been wearing this watch for a while. I don't actually need to unbox this. I'm gonna unbox it anyway, just for those of you that like hearing the sounds of packages opening and looking at the wonderful, wonderful origami-inspired packaging that Apple has done with their watch. That they've used, easily enabled to fold paper. Look at this. One piece, simple packaging. This is the first watch I ever got from Apple, my first smartwatch in general, and I link it with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I have to say, it has not only been an amazing implementation of technology into my life, but it has some incredible, tiny, cool features that I'm gonna dive into and exploit for research purposes. Now, why might this information be useful? Well, let me set the scene. So you got a girl over, you know, you're having some wine, you're doing some things, but now you gotta pee. And you don't wanna let her know that as a human you have to relieve yourself. So you're faced with a dilemma. Do you pee in the water or do you pee on the side of the bowl? And be extra, extra quiet, because we all know that being self-conscious in the bathroom is a personal problem that you should probably get over. Come on, you're a grown adult now. You don't need to be worrying about people looking at you while you pee. Why are you self-conscious, huh? What, you don't have what it takes to pee? Pee like a man? So, in order to do this challenge, I need some help from some friends. And those friends are water, water, and water. With these three glasses, I'm hoping that I'll be able to kickstart my bladder and get the juices flowing. And now we wait. How long does it take from water to get from your mouth through your system? How long is digestion? Now, Apple has the brand new Noise app, which is a decibel meter, which uses the onboard microphone to record and give you a representation of how loud the environment you're in. This is perfect for when you're in the car and you're listening to music. I didn't realize that I was giving myself extreme hear loss by cranking my sound system to the very top. Who would have thought? And so with this, I've been able to, be more conscious of sound levels. With that, I began to ask myself, what are some other things that I do where I try to be quiet? How quiet can I make it? And so we're gonna find out, well, what's the quietest way to take a piss? So I just pulled the footage off the camera, and when there was nothing going on, the meter was reading 35 decibels. When I hit the water, it jumped up to 64 decibels, and when I went to the side of the bowl, the lowest point was 43 decibels. So this test has proven that it is in fact quieter, but how much quieter? About 20 decibels. And if you thought this was an entertaining video, tune in next time when we say how loud it is taking a massive Oh, I can't say that. Tune in next time when we see how loud it is when I take a massive shit. Remember, this is the show where I show you what you didn't know you not needed to know. The show where I show what you didn't know you need to know. There you go. That's what it is. That's what we're doing. If you like this show format, let me know, and I will dive into things, taking technology and pushing its limits to help us understand a world we didn't know that we needed to know. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell. We're doing YouTube now, so let's YouTube it up.
I know that need demons on me shook. You can take a page about that book, leave them shook. keep it rush. So we gotta get in when